Okay, so I received my package that I purchased for Amazon Prime for the phone holder for the motorcycle, which I'm going to put right there. And now I'm going to take it out of the package and get it installed. I got to use 2 hands for this. Gift for you. You were so tours. All right, so this is the RAM mount phone holder. This is what I got. RAM mount X grip phone mount with RAM. I'm gonna get over there. RAM mount X grip phone mount with RAM snap link tough claw RAM -HOLUN ? 400U for motorcycle, ATV, UTV, bike. Can't read what that other thing says. Auto something. And the serial number. So to place your item, that information there. All right, so take it out of the package and assemble it. Backed by the RAM mounts warranty. Support at rammount.com. RAM mounts. 1-800-497-7479. We'll get it out of this package and hopefully they assemble it and hopefully it'll be easy. So let's look at it. Got it out of the package. This is like a fast set glue. This is what came in the package. This RAM mounts booklet. This thingy, going to connect, and they got these fast set glue. So apparently all this stuff, got it out of the package. This, so this stuff cost about $68 with tax for these items. So let's put it, look at this instruction booklet and then assemble it. Hopefully it'll be easy. Okay, so I guess this thing is just basically to try to sell you more things, expand your RAM system. So basically it has different bases and RAM pods and holders and all that other stuff. So any environment, RAM phone mounts, RAM tablet. RAM fish finder, RAM laptop, RAM vehicle mounts, Apple MagSafe adapter, the shape that started it all. Okay, so I guess it's just loosen this part up and attach it here. I think get this thing out of the way. Get it loosened up a little more, and then put the phone in here. I guess these are like, this rubber is just to hold the phone in place, like a double holder, I guess. All right, so I'm going to unscrew this some more and install it. Put it up in here. Okay, so I tightened it up from here and went onto the handlebar there and put the phone in there, I guess. Okay, so it's installed. And the latches are here. Adjust a little bit, I can move it around like that, up or down. And the test is to see how it holds while riding the motorcycle. Feels secure. The bands are on it right there. 4-corner bands. I want to go to map. There's the Google map. And thanks. I'm going to go to DoorDash. directions, and the thing about it, it doesn't shake, doesn't come off. But it feels secure. Probably get this one a little bit in further. Right, so there it is. Let's try to get this off. The bands off. These bands off here. I'll loosen it. There it is. So we got it connected now. Just hope it'll stay nice and feels like nice and sturdy. And now we got a Ram Mounts X Grip, patented.